Hi there, it's Adam at Fordingtons in Hexham, and today I'm showing you around this 2010 Hyundai i800 2.5 CRDi multi-purpose vehicle. For the age of the vehicle, it's in really good condition, finished in the silver. Three seats in the very back, three here and two in the front. Doors slide really easily, alloy wheels and rear parking sensors. Now, even though it's got the three seats in the back, it's got a huge amount of boot space. The rear windows do open slightly as well. You can see the adjustable there. Just done over 87,700 miles. And these seats move on them rails there, so it can extend right to the front or even further back, giving you loads of space. On the inside you've got the aircon, radio, heated seats, lights there, and the electric windows. Very good service history with it as well. 2 keys, and it is a superb vehicle to drive as well. So thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to get in touch, and we'll look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you now. Bye.